Hello everyone, today we're going to go through a tutorial on how to create CPA ads. So basically CPA ads are cost per action ads, and you have to pay for these ads only when someone takes a certain action. So you have to first of all be an advertiser at AdsTargets before you will be able to create CPA ads on our platform. And basically if you are not registered yet, you first of all have to come to our website here on AdsTargets, and you will just hit where they say start advertising, and it will take you to this form, and you will just fill it up, confirm your email, and that's it. And once you're done, you will have to head back to your advertisers dashboard. And basically this is how your advertisers dashboard will look like when you first sign in. Anyway, in my case I have run some ads, so you will see some metrics here already, but for you, in your case, maybe this may not be the case. So first, let's say you will have to come over here and click on create ads. Click on ads and then create ad. And once you click on that, you will be taken to this part where you will first of all have to select your pricing model. So since this is a CPA ad, you want to pay only for certain actions, you will choose CPA and then choose your ad type. And in this case, we're going to use text ad. You can use banner ad, you can use text and image ad, which is native ads, and you can use e-commerce ad, you can use interstitial ad. So all these ad types are up to you to choose and use any of them. For the sake of this example or this video, we're going to use text ads, okay? So now you will have to come down and start creating your ad, and this, the first thing you have to do is to give it a name. So let's say this is a test campaign, right? So then you will give it a title, and mind you, the title is going to display with your text ad. So let's say for this we're going to use boost conversion rate, and then you would select your pricing, your description, and here let's say okay, boost your conversion rate and sales with native ads. Okay, and then the display URL is the one people are going to see. This is not the one people will be directed to, so mind that. Okay, so we're going to use AdsTargets, for example, and then come down and select your click URL. This is where people will be sent to. Okay, mind you, this is where people will be sent to, so you will have to use, for example, we are going to use AdsTargets/advertise, and then you will move to next. Click on next, and here you will have your tracking codes. Okay, so the first one is a click tracking code. This will be tracking how many people clicked on this particular ad or visited our page. And the second one is the conversion tracking code, which is basically will be tracking how many people sign up or how many people pay or buy your particular product or a product you're advertising. So this will be tracking the conversions. Okay, so you have to copy these codes, and the first one you will have to paste it in your landing page, and the second one you are going to paste it on your thank you page, basically your final page of your conversion where people are taken to once they pay. Okay, this is where you will paste this code. So that's that about the tracking codes. And now here you have to come down and put in, do your targeting. So first is the countries. Okay, so let's choose a few countries we want to target. Since it's an ad, it's a sample ad, we are going to choose randomly. Okay, so you choose your countries, your targeting country, and then come to next. And here you will have to input your keyword. So first, let's say we're going to use promote your business. Business promotion. These are only sample keywords. You have to do a keyword research to determine specific keywords that you think are best for your niche or the product you are advertising. And once you do that, you click on add keywords. Okay, so you have added 2 keywords. Right now you will have to come over here to next, where you have to choose specific categories. In this case, I want to target my ads on almost all the categories, so I can just choose as much as I can and just target my ads, right? So I will choose. In your case, you would target specific categories to your niche or categories that are related to your niche. So let's say I have chosen my categories enough, and I will just click on next. And now these are device targeting, which devices you want to target. All devices, desktop or laptops, tablet and mobile devices. So then you will choose that, and in my case I'm going to use all devices. So then I'll click on next, and here is basically day filtering, date, time, and all that. So first, if you don't want to filter anytime your ads are going to show in terms of days, date, and time, you can just leave it the way it is. So that will ensure your ads running regularly and as much as possible and as always as possible. So then you just leave it the way it is without any restriction, and then click on next. So once you are done that, you will have to now add your budget, and this is where you impute your minimum CPA rate. And in this case, let's say we want to pay $1 per CPA each time someone buys our product or sign up. We want to pay €1, or $1. So we are going to impute $1, or you can just say $1.5. Okay, and then the total budget for this, like the minimum here is 10. Let's say we want to pay 100 for this ad. So you will do that and then click on add budget. So once you do that, you will see this text message, add total budget. Add total budget amount will be deducted from your account balance. So in this case, you will just click OK. This will be deducted from your overall balance, okay? So once this is done, that will be all, and you will have to wait for the admin to just check and approve your ad, and your ads will start running. So basically, this is how you create CPA ads, and as I said, you can create these CPA ads on banner ads, on affiliate ads, on Insta or video ads, or any other ad you want to basically promote. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do us a favor, subscribe to ensure you get our tutorials each time we publish them. Thank you so much for watching.